We are told that 15 of the 200 own stock in both IBM and AT&T. So that makes me think do a Venn diagram since I have an intersection. And I'm trying to find how many of those polled own stock in neither company. So I am trying to find X out here. They don't own stock in either one of them. So they tell me that this is 15 in here. I want to change colors. And if IBM is 48 total, IBM only would be 48 minus 15, and that's 33. AT&T is a total of 30. AT&T only, not including IBM, would be 30 minus 15, which is 15. And I'm going to let X equal the number of owner stock in neither. They own number that own stock. I don't think this is good English. Number own stock in neither. Neither. They don't own stock in either one. Well, if you take 33 plus 15 plus 15, that covers my bases for IBM alone, both, and AT&T alone. And then if I add to that the number that do not own neither one of them, that would be all these other ones, GM, Ford, and all that. I'm going to call that X. And we know the total number is 200. So if I covered all my bases, yes, these are the IBM, the AT&T, and this is everybody else that doesn't own IBM or AT&T. So if I add 33, let me see, that's 30. That's going to be 63 plus X equal 200. And that's X equal 137. And I hope that was, let me see. Yes, answer is E.